are going to be unboxing a Crash Test little guy. He is a dummy, and it's kind of like in Goosebumps. So here we go, and I highly encourage you to like and subscribe. Thank you. And here we go. So, and this is something that I got from my school book fair. All right, so here we go. Not really a book fair. I did get a Hungry Shark World book fair book. I shall cut you. Technical difficulties. Hey. There. It's rolling away. He's so cute. And here's this little car. It's going to be riding in this. This is what it's going to look like. Step one. We don't need a bin for this, so. Why am I doing this? I have scissors right here. Alright, I'm just going to open this so we're ready. And also I'm going to open this bag. Ah! Oh, there's a little seatbelt. Wait, are we recording? Right. How do I do this? Alright, I'm going to take... Never. I got his legs. Oh no, his head. He's choking. There. Get out. And, oh no, we need batteries. I'll come back to you whenever we have batteries, okay? You guys, why do they have to put the screw on his butt cheek? I'm back. And, I got batteries in this guy. I don't want to test him because he's going to light up for the rest of the video, literally. Oh, please get him, please get him. Alright, so I'm just going to... do you want the time lapse? His name is Impact Jack. watching, and also this is what it looks like. This little dude in the car. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.